Magandang umaga. Nandito pa rin kami sa Florida. Bali, ika-third day na namin ngayon. At kami kakain ngayon sa... Matagal-tagal din kami hindi nakakain sa Dunkin' Donut. Siguro mga 3 taon na. Only in the Philippines and USA. Tara, samahan nyo kami. Bye. Dunkin' Donut. Right now, here I go. Hello, I'm with Jody Me. Yeah, there you go. Ganda, no? Yes. Ganda ng mga condo rito, guys. Oh. Ganda. Yeah. Ang ganda ng ano. Yeah, some part in Vancouver, Betty Street, like this. Miami downtown is better than LA downtown. No? It's more like different. Ito yung mga hotel nila, anak, no? No? Ba? Alex? Kuya? Yun yung mall nila. So yun, okay naman yung kinain namin sa Dunkin' Donut. Ito pala nga kami ngayon sa Bayside. Sasakay kami ng sightseeing ferry dito sa Miami. So ito yung last day namin sa Miami. Actually tomorrow pa kami pupunta ng Tampa, pero ito na yung pinaka last stroll namin dito sa Miami. Ang ganda ng Miami, guys. It's different from other part of United States. Na-impress ako. Ang ganda ng downtown nila, ang linis. Mismo sa heart of downtown. Nandito kami ngayon sa heart ng downtown Miami. Grabe, parang it's a place of fabulous, rich and famous. Talaga, totoo yun. Okay, see you guys. Samahan nyo kami ngayong araw na to. Hello, madam. Ang ganda naman ni madam. Ang ganda ng misis ko, oh. Oh, ang ganda talaga ng Jody Me, oh. Kaya siya nagkaroon ng Arnel Me, eh. Ito ang aking anak. I think it's fine.
Okay lang ba nasa
Okay lang, kasi wala namang parking. Hindi naman parking yan, eh, oh. It's not a parking. It's a island painted island, so it's good. It's the same thing like this. So, yeah. Hello, Alan Jerome. How are you? There you go, guys. Yeah. Yes. So, we're heading to the mall right now. Miami Mall. So, it's good. Ang ganda ng panahon ngayon, anak. Hindi siya mainit, guys. Ano siya talagang perfect yung weather niya. Spring weather talaga. So, ito yung pupunta sa shop, sa mall mismo. Pakita ko sa inyo, guys. Ayun, ganda. Ibang-iba. So, ito yung strip mall nila. Ang lakas ng sounds. Ang ganda, anak, ah. Kamusta? Ito, Kaseya Center, the home of the Miami Heat. Yan. Diyan naglalaro sa NBA ang Miami Heat. Kaya lang, hindi sila pumasok sa sa playoffs eh. So kaya hindi gaano busy ngayon. Dating American Airlines Arena yan. So naging Kaseya Center na. Sabihin na, ito yung cruise na nila, may port, no? Ganda.
Yeah.
No? Hi.
Piers.
Ganda. Ganyan sa likod ko na yan yung Kaseya Center. The home of the Miami Heat. Kaya lang, walang laro ngayon kasi hindi sila pumasok sa playoff 2026. Yeah, pero ang Orlando pumasok, Orlando Magic. So, yeah. So, kaya medyo, wala ganang event ngayon dyan. Okay. Sa strip mall sa Bacon Beach. Bacon Beach cruise, sightseeing cruise. I think we are scheduled by 6 p.m. Yeah, pero try nating tingnan kung pwede nang sumakay or Actually, pupunta sana kami ng ngayon, Key West, pero kinancel namin kasi guys, pagod sa biyahe. That's gonna be another 3 hour from Miami to Key West. And go back sa same thing. So, 6 hours na sa road lang kami. Babalik pa kami ng Tampa tomorrow. So, that's another 5 hours. Yeah.
Iguana.
Yeah. Guys, sa iguana, yan Yan. Doon sa hotel namin, Pabo. Dito, iguana. Lupit, Ang daming wild dito. Wilds, no, anak, no? Yeah. Puro reptiles, no?
A lot of here.
Yeah, a lot of them.
Ganda.
Ganda ng boardwalk na Miami, Guys, ito yung Virgin, Virgin Cruise. Yung dalawang anak ko. Ayan. Ay, maganda mamaya. So far, so good, no? What can you say about Miami?
Ang ganda ng
Ganda ng Miami, Ang ganda ng Miami, ang linis. Tsaka
Ganda
parang,
ng skyline nila.
parang it's a place of rich and famous, Bagay, totoo naman yun.
Mamaya ikutan natin yung
Yeah. Daanan uli natin, Ang dami yan, Yan. Amazingly good, no? So yun yung cruise natin, Yun yung ferry natin. Ang ganda rito, guys, Sa pier. Pier 5. Pier 5. Yan, lupit. Itong, Miami Eye nila. Malakad to. Ganda rito, guys. Malupit ng Miami. Nandito kami sa Bayside, Miami downtown. 360 tayo. Lupit. Ngayon si Jody Mia sa Island Queen. Cruise and Tour. Sasabta kami dyan mamaya.
Excuse me, sir. Can you take a picture of us?
Of course. Hindi mawawala ang sounds. Kapatungan ko na naman. Baka maka-copyright tayo. Ayan. Ganda rito, guys. Aliwalas. Parang gusto ko mag-tequila y mezcal. Baka maka-copyright. Pero patungan ko na lang. Ang daming... Ay, sarap kumain dito ba, no? Gelato nila. pizza.
Ahí no puede estar así, no puede.
Dahil palang ano rito may, no? Kainan. Okay dito guys, daming kainan. Puro mga Latin food, no? Empanada. Kaya yung gusto ni Aldi, Cubano. Ayun, no? Hamburg. Yun yung Miami ay. Ito sa'yo. Tara na, baka inaantay na tayo. Copacabana at the Boca. Kakain kami sa Habana. Okay. Lupit na. Diba? Copacabana at the Boca. Ako gusto dito kapag siya'y naloka. Magkakaroon ako ng asawa. Ang ganda-ganda. Ako si Tae. Ganda lalaki.
45. I think they start boarding at 45. Or you can start boarding at 45.
45, yeah. You know what happened? We went to the restaurant there. It's nice. There's a lot of nice sandwich, Habana sandwiches.
Yeah.
Argentina. Oh, looks good.
There's good ones.
Yeah.
But then I read the prices. compared
It's
to
it's
the
it's,
one
it's
I
tourist
went to.
price, of course.
Yeah.
It's too much. I think it's twice.
Yeah, it's double what I remember getting you.
Yeah, but if you want to sit there with a nice view, it's perfect.
Yeah.
Yeah, but it's not for eating. It's just for like
Yeah, unless you go for like a shady price.
like for
place.
serenading and just relaxing there.
Everything's inflated. It's very touristy here, but the magnets are there.
Correct,
So
correct.
we saw good stuff. But I saw the numbers. I remember getting like it's like double as much.
Double as much. Correct. Yeah. But I think they have a nice food there.
Oh, definitely.
Yeah.
Definitely some good stuff
Yeah.
here. Then the Hard Rock and the other ones there.
Yeah, you went there.
Yeah.
I think we're riding this ferry here or the cruise here. Yeah, Mojito Bar.
Oh, so you guys run this right here?
Alam no, you can rent this one, oh. Yeah, ma. So nakalinya na kami rito. Yes, excited na kami. Sakay kami rito sa Mojito Bar on board. Malupit ha. Okay guys, ready na kami.
Sana na-check.
Baka doon sa ano, sa harap. Ayun, papunta. Kasakay na kami guys. Embarkation na. Doon nga tayo. Sa Bay Right First. So meron munang photo op dito guys. Yan. Yan. Thank you. Thank you. There you go. Alexandra, here you go. Hey. Of course, merong music. Patay tayo dyan. Another copyright. Pero okay lang yan. So tayo sa taas. Ano? Hi. Hi, Alexandra.
This is it.
Kahit din na si Jody May, no? Jody May. How about may panganay na anak? Excited na si Kuya, oh. Curtis yung pangalan niya. Ayan. Dali. How about may bunso? Bunso, how are you? Like it? Ha? Good. Yeah, good. Hey, Alexandra. Welcome.
Big announcement. We are a U.S. Coast Guard certified vessel. Big area for 150 flight jackets. They located on the back. The bathrooms are located downstairs. Behind the stairs, blue have trash cans all over the vessel, so please don't throw anything inside or outside. If you bring your children with you, please keep them by your side at all times, moving the shelves around or running or standing up on the shelves. Si trajo a sus niños con usted, manténgalos a su lado en todo momento. Mover las sillas o correr o pararse arriba de las sillas está prohibido. Se está tomando fotos y videos con su celular. Agárrenlo fuerte porque a veces podemos tener oleaje muy pesado.
Miami.
Saltar a nadar o fumar,
Florida.
muy mala idea. Así que por favor no se fuma y no me tire la toalla al agua.
Ayos to.
Está muy fría.
Actually, ano lang yan eh. Binaha. Binaha, dyan napunta. Ayos yan, no?
Hasta el fotógrafo como fotógrafo tiene H. Blink. Y mi nombre es Nancy. Y voy a hacer su guía turística de hoy.
Yan, ha? Ano yan? Nasa bucket list natin, Florida Cruise.
Woohoo!
Yeah, Virgin Voyage.
Este es un pueblo, ustedes pagaron así que a disfrutar del mar.
Amazing.
Tan rico.
Yan, sakay tayo dyan. Maganda pa rin pala, ano eh, Virgin Voyage, anak, no?
Yeah.
Guess what?
It's amazing, oh. Laki eh.
This is not the boat that we want to be in. It's that one. That one is only for you and me. No kids allowed. So next time you guys want to stay,
Next time, punta kami dyan.
come and get me.
Ay, sa mga bucket list natin yan. Ang laki, oh.
Amigos, no se equivocamos.
I think it's 1.5 size of ano to, Mano bigger than Grand Princess, no? Or like two more decks probably. Yeah. Laki, oh.
La próxima vez que te quieran escapar,
I think I will be going to Nassau, Bahamas.
Virgin Voyage.
Or Caribbean.
The House of the Miami Heat. A la izquierda van a ver un
Kayesa, ayun,
blanco
Kayesa.
circular. Esa es nuestra
Building.
Casella Center, la
The
casa
home of
de los
Miami
Miami
Heat.
Heat.
Hi, Alexandra.
In the back, behind the sculpture of the woman, there is two buildings. One tall in gray, that's the Perez Museum, and the other one short in white, that's the Cross. A la izquierda, sobre la escultura de la mujer se encuentran dos edificios, uno alto en gris, el Museo Pérez, y el azul y dorado. Su nombre, Breakdown, su dueño, Bill Gates.
Ganda, no,
Si
guys.
ustedes se quieren comprar uno y les sobra el dinerito, mi cumpleaños viene pronto. In your life, this is the island Golden Marina. This is the most expensive marina
Amazing.
because we have the most expensive boating yachts. The cheapest one is starting $70 million.
Wow.
And the expensive one,
$70 million.
950. A la derecha, con 950 millones de dólares.
Pero $70 million.
Al medio, I'm gonna show you something that we all deserve.
May yate nila, no, guys.
Quiero que les iba a enseñar que es algo que todos merecemos en la vida. And remember, my friends, a usted.
Oh.
Thank you, Vlad. You guys are going to see a bridge. This is the Venetian Causeway. This is the connection between Miami and Miami Beach. Since 1912, a la izquierda tienen el puente. Fill it out and then the back with them. We will be covering the winners to the street. Do walk to everyone and thank you for choosing Favorite Cruises.
Nice.
Hoy ya
Recommended,
tenemos un
guys.
torneo gratuito organizado por el Club Trabaja.
Ayan.
Sorteamos varios premios e incluso puede entradas para el sorteo.
Ayan, private cruise.
Complétela y entréguesela. Llamaremos a los ganadores durante el trabajo de hoy. Muchas gracias por venir. Favorite Cruises. You have to do is make a reservation.
Nice.
A la derecha se encuentra el restaurante Joya Beach. Es un auténtico restaurante en Miami. Vestirse la
Galing, guys,
cocina de
oh.
bebida alcohólica.
Island bar.
Si usted quiere ir,
Kailangan mo magpaano dyan, magpabook daw.
es hacer una reservación. Also, if you guys
Ayos
watch
yan,
the
ah.
movie Bad Boys 4, this is the restaurant where they got married.
Ah.
También, si ustedes miraron la película de los chicos para And don't forget to drop your pollo y de carne para ustedes. $8.
Miami Beach. There you go.
Miami Beach.
And the first mansion is located on the left.
Yan yung binali sa guys living the life here in Miami with their family. It's a nice cruise. Alright. Amazing. May jacket yan daw. Mansion, no?
That's the Grand Capital Mansion for only $7,000 a night for 10 people.
7,000 a night. Wow. Amazing.
También puede rentar la mansión de la Capitán por tan solo $7,000, ¿no? De todo el tiempo.
Kanina daw yan. Yeah.
Otro, another one.
Anak Millionaire's Row, no? Yeah. So ito yung Millionaire's
There
Row.
you go. The next mansion, color white, black windows with a white and gray door outside, belongs to the undefeated boxer, Floyd Money Mayweather.
Ah, ito kay Mayweather.
La mansión blanca con ventanas oscuras pertenece al
May Mayweather na.
boxeador Floyd Mayweather.
Repeated na yan sa September.
Yeah.
Is mga millionaire may-ari ng bahay na yan. Mga mansion na yan.
The next mansion belongs to the icon from Cuba. The next mansion is color white, 2 floors with a long beige balcony, and it belongs to Celia Cruz Azúcar. La Casa Blanca de 2 pisos pertenece a una ícono cubana, Celia Cruz Azúcar. La
Azúcar.
Color mustard with the brown roof.
Yeah, Sylvester Stallone house.
The next mansion, color white, 3 floors with a dome on top, belongs to the Puerto Rican, very handsome guy, Ricky Martin.
Oh! Ricky Martin, ah. Menudo.
Cantante boricua, Ricky Martin.
Anak, perfect tong oras na to eh. It's not that sunny. It's relaxing, guys. Wow, amazing.
Mansion, last mansion in Hibiscus Island. Color white, Mediterranean style, orange roof, and red
Ito yung ano, Star Island?
Belongs to the
Star Island.
Colombian singer who hit the night, Shakira. Casa Blanca, estilo mediterráneo. Pertenece a la colombiana. Que sus caderas
Shakira's
no mienten.
mansion.
Solo pique.
Ngayon tayo sa Star Island. And the house of the fabulous, rich and famous.
Now we're going to Palm Island.
Mansion of DJ Khaled with the yacht there, oh guys. Grabe, oh.
Su mansión fue demolida en 1940 y ahora todavía buscan por poco de dinero. And now that we're done with the cruceros, si van o vienen en un crucero, producers, and now veteran of Baby Johnson & Johnson, P. Diddy Bob
P. Diddy.
however you guys know him. He's not home right now. He's taking a
that's
little
his-
vacations away from home.
Yeah, that's his mansion.
But now
Didi.
he's not home alone anymore.
Lupit, eh, no?
Now he's with the company of President Maduro, playing with oils. If you guys hear the news, maybe you know why he's hiding behind all those phones.
Wow. So dito pala, anak yung Didi's party, after party, dyan pala nangyayari, no?
That's right.
Yeah, this where Didi's P. Daddy's after party. Dito pala nangyayari. Florida.
Pero ya no está solo.
Ayun yung
Ahora
may
está
malaking
jugando
bed
con
sa
Azteca
backyard
como el
niya.
presidente Maduro. Si escucharon la noticia,
He still
¿sabrán por
owns this
qué?
mansion.
¿Sabrán por qué se esconde dentro de todas esas palmeras?
Grabe. Didi's baby oil oh, Esther, the baby oil mansion is Didi's mansion where the after party happened. Lupit, ah.
Belongs to the Spanish singer Julio Iglesias.
Wow.
Mansión blanca, café y negro. Pertenece al cantante
Julio
español.
Iglesias.
Julio Iglesias.
Iglesias.
Woo!
Ano? Ano yan?
For $40 million.
Jennifer Lopez Mansion.
Con Cosetín, Pase Mansion 2. La mansión de color crema con el tejado anaranjado pertenece a Jennifer Lopez. Ella compró esta mansión en el 2020 por $40 millones.
40 million.
The
Jennifer
next
Lopez
mansion
Mansion.
is color cream with the brown, es color cream with the white and blue outside. La siguiente mansión es color crema con el bote blanco azul afuera. The next mansion belongs to the Fresh Prince of Bel-Air, Will Smith, and he lives over there with his wife, but I'm not going to mention her name, so I don't get anything. It's not the mansion yet. Esta es la propiedad más grande de la isla Estrella. Tiene 6 hectáreas. $120 millones invertidos, 32 on the middle.
Yun lang, guys, Shaquille O'Neal mansion, former mansion. Rihanna's mansion. Grabe, nakita rin namin yung mansion niya sa LA, sa Hollywood. Ganda. David Beckham
Mansion in
mansion.
construction. Say hello to my little friend. If you guys never watched Scarface before,
Al
shame on
Pacino.
you. Si no han visto la película de cara cortada, ¿qué esperan? En Andy Margarita, North Carolina. Nelly Jablonski. Nelly and Mike, Odessa, USA.
Pagodas.
Eddie Vázquez, Montemayor, Víctor Martínez, Monterrey. And right now, all of the islands that we mentioned today, they are
Skyline Miami. Ganda, no? So, Miami, Florida. Skyline. City Skyline, Miami. Parang sa Staten Island din. Ng New York. Nabubulabog sila, no?
también
Hey guys,
es
natapos din ang
altamente
aming
agradecido.
journey dito sa,
$1 hace la diferencia, mis amigos.
sa Perry dito sa
También la
Miami.
propina de todo es para mí.
Salamat sa
La
pagsama nyo.
comparto con mi querido
Hopefully
capitán.
nag-enjoy kayo at
And one last
see you in the
thing,
next vlog.
if you
Bye.
guys have any comments,
Guys, it's already, what time is it? 8:30. So dito kami kakain ngayon sa Little Havana. Dito pa rin sa Biscayne, malapit sa hotel. Ito na kami magdi-dinner. At bukas pala, papunta na kami ng Tampa. No? It looks, fancy Live music on Friday. Yeah, Little Havana. So, try namin itong Havana food dito. Masarap eh. Okay, good. Anak, I like the lamb shank. Masarap tong lamb shank. Cuban sandwich, no?